Can you briefly explain what a geosite map is and how it differs from a regular sitemap and its importance for local SEO? A geosite map just tells Google where they can locate a KML file. A KML file is a keyhole markup language. Go look it up. KML file, keyhole markup language. It's kind of an older technology that they used to use to kind of inject location information into the search algorithm. Um, so that's basically all that it was for. I think, you know, it's one of those things it's fairly simple to set up. So I still see some people using them. I used to use them all the time. Now I don't bother with it anymore because we can accomplish with Schema what the Geosite Maps used to be for. Some people are still using them. I just did an audit today that I saw a Geosite Map. But it's just a geosite map just tells Google where they can go to for the KML file, the KML data, keyhole markup language data, right? Which just basically is coordinates and things like that for each location. It's not, I don't think it's really necessary to do anymore. Some people might have a differing opinion than me about that, but basically it's local business schema can accomplish what KML files used to do.